Hello everyone, I am back again. My name is Arindiri and you're watching our series of Java programming language. So what we are going to do in this video? Let me share my screen first. Alright. So from this video, we are going to start our journey of Java programming language. But before starting Java, we should know about what is the need of what is the need of programming language. So see, CPU is electronic device and CPU is not able to understand the human language. CPU cannot understand Hindi or English or any other language. CPU can only understand the flow of current. If the current is flowing, that means high voltage. If the current is not flowing, that means low voltage. In computer science or electronics, we denote high voltage as 1 and low voltage as 0. So if the CPU is electronic device and CPU cannot understand uh, the human language, then how the CPU executes the programs. So if you want to execute any program in CPU, then you have to pass the binary instructions like this, like 101011. In this format, you have to pass instructions to the CPU, and then CPU will start executing these instructions. But you can see that the binary instructions are not that easy to execute. We cannot write the whole program, whole software in binary instructions. It is very tough task. So the great scientists come up and they said that we are not going to use binary instructions to write our software anymore. We will use assembly language. But the problem is still same that CPU is not able to understand any other language. CPU can only understand the binary instructions. So we need a software which can convert our assembly language into CPU instructions, and that software is known as assembler. This is the task of assembler to convert the binary instruction, convert the assembly language into binary instructions. But again, assembly is not that easy to code. Assembly is very tough to code. So again, the great scientists come and they said that we are not going to use assembly language anymore. We will use high level languages like C, C++, Java, Python to write our code. But the problem is still same that the CPU is not able to understand any other language. So we need a software which can convert the high level language into CPU instructions. So and that software is known as compiler. Compiler is responsible to convert the high level language into CPU instructions. So in this way, a program executes in the CPU, but still we have some problem. Let's say we are developing a software. We have two environments. Let's say we have two environments. One is Windows and one is Linux. Let's say we are developing two softwares. One in a Windows environment and another is in Linux environment, and we have two compilers. Uh, One is in Windows and another is in a Linux environment. When we pass our software to the our code to the compiler, it generates the binary instruction for that code, and same happens in Linux environment here. But the problem is when you try to execute the binary instructions, which is compiled by the Windows compiler in Linux, it can throw you error. And same, if you try to run the binary instructions which is generated in Linux environment, in Windows environment, it can give you error. That means that binary files, or I can say the executable files, are uh, platform dependent. Uh, the binary instructions can execute in only uh, in that environment in which that is compiled. But there's a difference in Java compiler, Java programming language. Uh, we have compiler here And when we pass our Java code to the compiler, this compiler does not generate any executable file. Instead of generating executable file, it generates bytecode. This bytecode is neither human readable nor machine readable. But this bytecode is platform independent. Means I can generate bytecode in Windows machine and can ship this bytecode in Linux environment, and it will work fine. It will never give you error. So this compiler will generate a bytecode, and then the JVM uh, it starts converting this bytecode into machine instruction. So in this way, the Java is platform independent because the Java has no dependency on platform. So this is the plus point in Java. All right. That's why we say that Java follows Vora, means write once, run anywhere. We can write our software in Java in any platform, and then we can run that software anywhere. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. From the next video, we'll start our Java programming language journey. From the next video, we will start our first Java program. We will see the syntax of Java program. We will see the variables and data types in Java programming language. So till then, stay tuned with us. I will catch up with you in the next video.